Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a thrift store haul. I went to the thrift store to get I went to go see if I could find one of these little golden books for Easter, but I couldn't find one. I need to go through the books that I've collected over the years for my kids to see if I have an Easter one. My kids refuse to let me touch those books, so I'm gonna have to sneak and find one. But anyways, I did find this Tom and Jerry. And growing up on Tom and Jerry, I was like, oh, let me get it. And this was $1.29. I remember when these books used to be like 69 cents. But anyway, so yeah. So all these books are going to be for, wow, this is crazy. So they just gifted this 5 years ago. Not even 5 years, and it's already at the thrift store. Crazy. And I've had books for over 20 years for my kids. But yeah, so I figured this could make some good ephemera. So that was the first book that I found, this Tom and Jerry book. Okay. Then I also found this flowers book. This was $1.99. And let's go through some of the flowers. Like, can you like imagine these as ephemera in spreads? This is gonna be amazing. This would be amazing. Look at that lily. I can't wait. Tulips. Oh, as I see this, my tulips are starting to come, to push out. Like, look at the rose. Look at it. It's like, I can't wait. I really can't wait for the season to see all of these blooming out front. Oh yeah, but I think you guys get the idea. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. But I think we all get the idea of the book. It's flowers. Oh, look at the yellows. So nice. But yeah, so that's book number 2. That will be used for ephemera. Yes, I am planning on cutting them. Oh, this is a lovely arrangement. I love that. I love that. So that's book number 2. Then I also got this one because, you know, look at the ancient art. Look at that. So pretty. Again, all of this is for ephemera. So yes, all these books will be cut apart. Another one. Oh, this one's $2.99. The previous one, this one was $1.99. $2.99. This one also flower based. Do you see what I see? Do you see? Like, imagine these on a spread. This is gonna open it up, bring it, like, be eye-catching. Like, look at that. The funny thing is, I think this one, maybe I'll keep this one, because this one will help me with my flower bed. We'll see. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, but yeah. Did you guys subscribe to my channel yet? If you haven't done so, please go ahead and subscribe now. And then we have this one in celebration of women. If I remember clearly, I don't think some of these I could actually, let's see. Oh, this is how I grew up, cleaning the floor with the brush. The only problem with some of these books is that when you have to choose, it's beautiful, between, see, like, look, Like, why would they do that? I mean, I know obviously they didn't create the book for it to be ripped apart, but I have to choose between her or her. So now it's just a decision I have to make. Maybe I'll make it a flip and don't have to hide either one. Like that one. Can you guys see them? And then also, if there's no pictures I'm not saving, like look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Her is why I bought this book. When I opened it up, it literally went straight to her. And I was like, yeah, I have to buy this. And then look at that. So yeah, you guys get the point. And then we have the Portable 7 Habits: Trust, Sharing Ideas, Insights, and Understanding. Same. This one, oh yeah, this one had like phrases and like, I feel like stuff like that I could use. You talking to me, huh? Some New York's thing. I like that. We could use these pages for ephemera, for like something like this. You could, like, you know, put in there. Yeah. Feel like this you know will come in handy to use in my junk journal. And this one was $1.99. I think the color this week was green, so I think I got this one for $1. And then this one is $2.99, another green, so that was also 50% off. But look at those. So yeah, these will be cut down for ephemera. And then this is my favorite. This is my favorite, because wait until you guys see that, see the pictures in this. Even just the cover is beautiful. So this one was another green and $1.99, which is crazy. I don't know, the pricing and the way they price these things makes no sense to me, because this one was $1.99. The book over there that should have been like maybe 99 cents was $2.99, but whatever. So this one is amazing. So we will flip through this one. Like, I'm still torn with this one. We'll see if I actually will cut this one up, because look, just look at that. Whoever photographed these is amazing. Like, look at that. Look at this. Just look at it. So many great captures. So many great captures. Like, so many great captures. Yeah, this book is amazing. So many. So many great. Look at this. Look at this. Like, can you see all the details in these photos? It's a beautiful book. So that was, oh, and then I also got this binder that I plan to put my stickers in. I have my stickers in other binders, but I want to take them and put them into this, because those ones, because see how chunky this one is. You see how chunky it is? Yeah, I like that. And then I also found this little pack of leftover beads and charms and stuff that I got as well. And I have to move this out the way. Give me a second. And then I also found a hot box. But unbeknownst to me, this was from the same thrift store, $6.99. It was my most expensive thing that I got. But there's two. There is two of them. There's two. I cannot wait to use these for my ribbon. So yeah. So yeah, I want to store ribbons and stuff in these. But that's it. That is my thrift store haul for junk journaling, for crafting, for anything of the sort. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys. Peace out.